Okay, this is an update for these little wheels that run on the track, run on my track. They were squealing horribly. I happened to oil too, and the squeal reduced by about half. So I thought, well, maybe I better, put a grease fitting or something in them. There's no place for a grease fitting. Here's what I can tell you. These are little Chinese bearings. They're skate wheel bearings. They are shielded, but there's no grease seal on them whatsoever. Okay, so what I did was I did a little creative drilling. I drilled down with like a 3/8 drill, made like a little pocket for the drill to sit in. Then on an angle, just about this kind of an angle, I put in an 1/8 inch drill, drilled the hole all the way into the center hole. You probably cannot see it on this movie. And then I had some starter drills for a lathe or a CNC machine. I came in here and made a nice pocket for the plu's point to fit into, and there's a plu's point. It's a needle point. And it goes in there and it sits nice. I'll be able to hold that in and force grease to the inside, thereby greasing my bearings. So that's a little update on it. They did say they have bearings. They had bearings. When they said that, I assumed it was steel sleeve bearings that would eventually need a grease job. You can see as I put them in there, they're definitely not a press fit. Okay, so there it is. There's the update on my really good buy for the rail bearings. And they were a good buy. I think I bought all 4 of them for somewhere around $24. And the good set of cast irons that were 3.5 inches or better was something like $45, and they wanted $15 shipping. So it is cheaper. I just had to put a weight of grease in there. Okay, so that's it for now on that. But I thought I deserved to give you an update that they need a little assistance. Okay, thank you. Okay, recording. I got the wheels put back on. They're ready to go. Those over there are ready to go. Have not lubed them yet. Will soon. What I've got is I need to do some welding. I see right down in there there's a spot that needs welded. Anything that was not flat for me to do, I thought, well, hell, I'll just tip this thing over and get a good weld on it. Here's another one right down there. You see the brown piece going into the rusty part. That needs a good weld. Over here, the brown handlebar going to the brown handlebar brace. Just welding. Get it solid up, and then ready for paint. I'm about ready to move this to where it's going to be for a little while. And then I'm going to start pulling stuff out of my woods. I've got a few dead ash. I hope they're still okay, and I hope this little guy cuts them pretty good. So stick with me. Come back. I'll show you the progress. Thanks. Bye.